Have you ever felt like your thoughts are running faster than your life? One after another, never stopping, leaving you restless, unfocused, and sometimes even exhausted? Imagine if you could slow that storm inside your mind, manage your thoughts, and redirect them in a way that brings you both focus and deep relaxation. Today, we're going to walk together on the path of mindfulness, where you'll learn not only how to take charge of your thoughts but also how to create a calm space inside yourself that no chaos can disturb. Welcome to this journey. I want you to think of this session not as just listening to words but as a direct experience, like you and I are sitting together in a quiet space, and we are learning step by step how to transform your mind. Mindfulness isn't about stopping your thoughts or forcing your mind to be silent. It's about creating awareness, space, and clarity. Once you learn this, you will discover that your thoughts are no longer your enemy, they can become your greatest tool for peace and focus. So let's begin with something very simple. Take a slow, deep breath in. And now, gently let it go. Feel the weight on your shoulders soften just a little. That's the power of awareness. You are present, here, now. And in this present moment, you already have more control than you realize. Now, think about how often your mind pulls you in different directions. You sit to work, and your brain jumps to yesterday's conversation. You want to relax, but your mind starts worrying about tomorrow. This constant stream is like background noise that never stops. But here is the secret: mindfulness allows you to notice these thoughts, without being carried away by them. When you observe, instead of reacting, the mind slowly settles. Let's try this together. Picture your thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky. Some are dark, some are light, some pass quickly, some linger. Instead of chasing them or pushing them away, just watch. Let the sky of your mind stay open, while the clouds move on their own. This simple awareness is the first step in managing your thoughts. Now, let's take it deeper. The next step is focus. Whenever you notice your thoughts pulling you away, you need an anchor, a point that brings you back. For many people, the breath is that anchor. Right now, place your attention on the feeling of your breath. The rise and fall of your chest. The cool air as you breathe in. The warmth as you breathe out. Notice it without changing anything. Every time your mind drifts, gently guide it back. This act of returning, again and again, is where focus is built. Imagine you are training a puppy. At first, it runs everywhere. But with gentle patience, you guide it back, and slowly, it learns to stay. Your mind works the same way. With mindfulness, you teach it to stay present, to stay calm, to stay focused. Another powerful practice is body awareness. Our thoughts and our bodies are deeply connected. When the mind races, the body tenses. So, bring your awareness down into your body. Notice your shoulders, your neck, your hands. Without judgment, just feel. Take a breath and release any tension you notice. Every time you do this, your body sends signals of safety to your mind, and your thoughts begin to soften. Now, let's address those heavy thoughts, the worries, the doubts, the negative voices. Instead of fighting them, mindfulness teaches us to accept and reframe them. Imagine your thought is saying, "I can't do this, I'm not good enough." Instead of believing it, pause and notice it. Say to yourself, "This is just a thought. It's not reality. It's passing through like a cloud." When you create this distance, suddenly the thought loses its power. You are no longer trapped, you are free to choose what you focus on. And here is the beauty of it: when you release what you don't need, you create space for what truly matters. Space for focus. Space for clarity. Space for peace. Your mind, once cluttered, becomes clear like still water. And in that clarity, you will find both energy and calmness coexisting. Now let's tie this into your daily life. Imagine starting your day with just 5 minutes of mindful breathing. Before you check your phone, before you dive into the rush, you sit quietly, breathe, and observe. That simple practice sets the tone for the entire day. Your mind becomes less reactive, more focused, more balanced. At work, when distractions pull you away, you can take a breath, return to the present, and regain control. At night, instead of overthinking, you can use body awareness to relax into deep, peaceful sleep. And over time, these small practices add up. You'll notice your stress levels dropping. Your concentration sharpening. Your emotions becoming more stable. And most importantly, you'll feel lighter, because your thoughts no longer control you, you control them. So, let's pause once again. Breathe in deeply. Hold it for a moment. And now, slowly release it. Notice the silence after the breath. That silence is always within you. It's the space where peace lives. Whenever life feels overwhelming, you can return to this silence. It's yours. It's your inner calm. Before we close, let me remind you of 3 simple takeaways. First, your thoughts are not your enemy, observe them instead of fighting them. Second, use your breath and body awareness as anchors to return to the present moment. And third, practice daily, even if just for a few minutes, to build lasting focus and calmness. As we end this session, I want you to imagine yourself as a calm lake. No matter what winds blow or storms come, the surface may ripple, but deep inside, the water stays still. That's your true nature. Calm, focused, and unshaken. Thank you for taking this time to be here, to breathe, to notice, and to begin mastering your thoughts. Remember, every small step in mindfulness is a step towards freedom. Stay present, stay mindful, and stay calm.